All right, so let's practice a little bit more our multiplication skills using the pictures you see on the screen of Boomer. So if I wanted to know how many boomers I saw on the screen, I could use multiplication to help me figure it out. Now, if you kind of look, you see that the pictures of Boomer are set up in rows, or we called them before arrays. So the first thing I want to think about is how many arrays or rows do I have in my array? So I see one row, two rows. So I have two rows. So it's going to be 2 times something. And now I'm going to figure out how many pictures of Boomer in each row. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So the multiplication problem for this picture would be 2 times 4 pictures of Boomer in each row equals altogether, the answer would be 8. And another way I could do this is using repeated addition. So I could just do 4 in the first row plus, then I could add on the oops, not an equals. Plus I could add on the 4 in the second row and I could get 8 as well. So that's actually just another way to show it. However, when there gets to be more and more rows, the quicker and more efficient way to solve it would just be to use that multiplication problem rather than adding the same number over and over and over and over again. It can get to be a lot of adding, and multiplication is kind of like a shortcut to getting the same answer. So let's try another one. So I'm going to erase these. Let's erase. And let's add on some more pictures of Boomer. So let's see. Let's go down to another row. And let's add some more Boomers in. So there's one. We'll keep adding them. I'm going to keep going and bumping up this number here. And hey, you know what? Let's go on to do one more row of Boomers. So here's another one. And another one. And there are I'm certainly sure Boomer would be proud to see so many pictures of himself on our math problem here. And now we're going to try to solve again, but this time the number has upped itself a little bit. So let's first remember when we're doing arrays, see how many rows we have. So I see one row here. Then I see 2 rows, 3 rows, and 4 rows. So there are 4 rows. So remember that first number is how many rows. So 4. Now I'm going to times it by how many pictures of Boomer per row. It's 4 times 4 equals, and if I did 4 times 4, it's actually the same thing as saying 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. My answer would be 16. And if you wanted to check yourself, you could count up all the pictures individually. Okay. And another way of saying that would say, like we said before, 4 plus 4 plus, ooh, we got to slide over here, plus 4 plus 4 equals, and we would also get 16. But again, it's much quicker to say 4 times 4 is 16 than to say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. So multiplication is that secret shortcut that when we have that addition problem, we're just adding the same number over and over and over again, it's quicker to get there using multiplication. All right, so great job. So Boomer helped us out to see really how awesome multiplication can be, especially when you have a number that you're adding a lot of times. So thank you, Boomer, for your help with that.